You don't need a videographer. You don't need someone to follow you around like Gary Vee has D-Rock, following him around with a video camera to make sure you capture all your brilliance and be able to do, capture that in a way that's cinematographically excellent. You know what I mean? Really, all you need to do is get comfortable spreading your message, communicating your message. That's what I want to talk about today, because oftentimes the desire to hire a videographer is really overcompensation. And I don't mean, that in a personal way. I mean that your content, your messaging isn't fully developed, your process. And so you're thinking, if I just hire a great videographer, then it will overcompensate, it will compensate for all, and everything will balance out. But that's probably not what's gonna happen. Instead, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have like really well-filmed, well-edited, expensive content that doesn't perform. And I want you to just kind of compare and think about this. I've got a client over here in LA who is talking about hiring a videographer to come in at $1,000 a day, $500 to edit. With that, she's got the budget for 2 videos. I've got another client out in the Canada ski resort area, and he got a bid for $2,000 and $500 per edit. So it's like $2,000 to go shooting for a day, and then $500 per edit. I just can't think of that being, I can't see how that would be a good investment of your money. Instead, if you're gonna invest that money, first of all, and neither one of them did, if you're gonna invest that money, you're gonna invest that in something that's gonna grow the brand. Maybe some paid advertising or sponsorship at a conference or something like this. It's gonna get you really big eyeballs. But when it comes to filming your content, you need little more than an iPhone. You need to learn how to craft a message. You need to learn how to repurpose a message, right? You need to learn how to say the same thing on video a couple different ways so that you can make a couple different videos. And the videographer question is a tough question, because I know it feels easier to have somebody holding the camera for you, but until your videos are actually generating enough revenue to pay for the videographer, then you really shouldn't be hiring a videographer. And then when you do, you need to hire a videographer with sort of like the skill sets and the job tasks. Like, you don't need someone every single day. I have my videographer come in once a week to film with me, and he's filming here right now, and that makes sense to us because our videos generate a certain amount of revenue, okay? So you don't need a videographer, you need to craft your message better.